Oh! Oh! No, I blocked! That's crazy. Am I choosing first?
Fuck, I didn't even see what I chose. You like my character?
Oh, I have. What the hell? How do you customize your character?
It's in the start screen. When we start second round, I'll let you do it. How do I get down there? No way! That instantaneously? Dead, bro. Dead. Boy, you dead as hell.
You think?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? That shit brings you down so much. Bring me that ass, boy.
What did you do? Ah, so you can get an upgrade?
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
There we go. It's called skillful dying. No, 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 no. Yeah. Ain't no way. Shit. I didn't even mean to die. What the fuck? Shit, shit, shit. Fucking, I keep getting trapped under the map. Holy fuck. Ow. Damn. Shit. Bro, fuck.
Damn. Oh fuck.
Alright. Alright. No, I'm reloading, fuck. Holy shit. Come here, boy. Yeah.
No. No.
I ain't finna die like this.
No.
Let's go. God damn it, I knew you were gonna pick that. Get the fuck out of here. Shit, 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 shit. Ain't no way. Imposter.
Imposter is Sons.
When the imposter is you do not
that.
know about the imposter. Carson, you'll never guess what I have again.
No, no, please. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna fucking die. I'm going to die. No shot. No shot. I survived that. Ooh. Oh, oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah, that's what I thought. What you gonna do? Ain't no way, ain't no way, ain't no way. What is that?
The sound.
Of silence. Ow! Fuck.
Dude, that was a trick shot and a half, I'll tell you that.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What the hell is even that? Fuck.
Hold on. I hear your ass moving.
I'm coming for that booty. Oh, hell no. Got me fucked up, bro. What the fuck? Ow, 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 ow. Some AIDS. This is AIDS.
Oh, fuck.
No! Oh, I was about to shoot all your boxes down. Oh, I shot that bitch midair. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Die. Bro.
Alright.
God damn it. Look, I got. Look, I got. Look, I got.
Alright. Ow, 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 ow. Die. Die. Dude, what? How, what the fuck? Look at that little tick of health you got. Ow, ow, fuck. So concentrated. You're so concentrated.
Just a little bit.
Let the thoughts flow from your head, boy.
You're a fucking.
You motherfucker. Oh my god. They big. They big. What the fuck? Ow, fuck. Yeah! What are you doing? What are you doing? What
I'm
are you
running.
doing?
I'm
What are you
running.
doing? He's running. Tempo, we got a black male subject running. What are you gonna do? Stick to the fucking wall like Spider-Man. Bop. Fuck. 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 Oh my god.
That is overpowered, bro. God damn.
God damn. Immediate.
What?
Immediate. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get crushed.
That.
Oh my god. That is fucking dangerous what you have. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. You done? Ain't no way. How the fuck am I supposed to get you? I ain't coming down on your level, my boy.
You can't.
No!
That's gonna be your fucking downfall.
Yeah, it is. Oh lord.
Oh lord. Oh lord. Lord, he coming. Damn, damn, damn. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Get fucked. Get fucked. Ow. What you gonna pick? What you gonna pick? What you gonna pick? Okay, okay, some poison. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Fuck off, fuck off, yes. Ow. You're fucked.
Oh! Oh! No, I blocked!
Come here. Come here. Bring me that. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, big bullet.
You already know, man. You already know. You already know who it is.
Oh, fuck. Ow, ow. Ain't no way, ain't no way. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Right here.
Get down from there. Get down from there. What happens if I... Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Shit! 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 Damn it. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Ain't no way, blood. No, no, no. Shit. Fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the what? How?
Poison.
More bouncy? The bitch just bounced for so long now. Guys, that's got fuck! No, no, no! Fucking. Ooh. Oh my god, holy shit. Me after drinking Dr. Pepper. Me when I win. POV, you're dead. Oh, I'm dead. Look, watch.
Look, watch, I'm gonna die.
Ain't no way I'm not gonna hit you with any of these bombs, bro. No. get away from my anus! Shit.
And you have my signature stuff, bro. You have my grenade launcher, and yet.
Oh my god!
What the hell, man?
Hey, no way. Oh, this map's about to blow the fuck up. I don't even have to. Oh god. I don't really have to aim. I just have to start shooting. No, leave me alone. No, no, no! Oh, fuck!
We got.
What we working with? What we want? Quick shot. Alright. Ooh, bombs.
Oh, you fucking put. I reload. That's
Gonna
crazy.
get bugged. You're gonna get bugged. Oh, oh. Lego. Give me a motherfucker. Oh. Bruh. Oh, burst. Go, Come here. No. Leave me alone.
Oh.
Get fuck. You straight get fucked. No. Let me look. Shit.
Once you fall off the map, it's over.
Gay lover. Remember that ass. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bombs.
Okay.
No, fuck, I just realized I'm out of ammo. No! Motherfucker! Stand still to summon dark power?
No.
No, they're almost there. Got it!
Fuck. Like you're in the time cleaner.
On God. 12 ammo? Oh fuck. Nope, I'm gone.
Fuck.
Holy shit. Please no.
Oh,
Alright. I'll do it. Don't you do it. fuck? I'm out of ammo.
Dude.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Fuck.